In this video, I am going to talk about how to transcribe audio into a text assertive file without installing any software on your computer. By using Google Collaboratory, the process is simple and accurate. To get started, open your browser and go to Google Drive on your Gmail account. Click on the plus icon and select More. From there, open the Connect More Apps option and search for Google Collaboratory. Connect it with your Google Drive account. The great thing about using Google Collaboratory for transcription is that it uses advanced machine learning, making it incredibly accurate, making the process even more efficient. Again, click plus icon, then open our Collaboratory. I'll rename this project name. Now go to our main part. First, go to Runtime, then select GPU option. Then click Save. Now open my notepad and copy this code snippet and paste it here. Then click this play button. Once you have connected, upload your audio file to a Google Drive and mount it to your notebook using the appropriate code. Now go to our second step. Upload your audio file. Then copy another portion of our command. Change file name as it is same. Then run program. And see, convert voice to text. You can download different format. As you transcribe your audio file, you can easily edit the text in real time. Once you are done transcribing, save the file as a text assertive file. So what are you waiting for? Start transcribing your audio file with your Google Collaboratory today and experience the ease and accuracy of the amazing tool. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.